Hey guys, what up? It's Susan and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So we're about to leave our Airbnb in Hongdae because we're going to Tokyo. So I thought let's just give you a tour real quick. So when you enter, you have this area for shoes. There are more people staying here. So there's this living area and it's kind of creepy, but this guy, he has a camera there. We're kind of uncomfortable. And I don't think it was in the advertisement, but so this is our room. We got 3 beds and we got our own bathroom. It's not that big, but it's okay. Then we have this little desk and this. We have some curtains, but they don't really fit. So about this whole window is still open. That's annoying. And then we also have this bathroom. This is a bigger one. And the kitchen. This guy is like, oh yes, we have breakfast, but there's almost nothing. There's some milk and cereal, and that was supposed to be like jelly, but it's gone. So no breakfast. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this little tour. We're actually really on our way now to the airport. We're about to get on the train, but yeah, just subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!